Secret, new software that converts 1000x times more in just one click. You can dramatically increase your buyer experience. No ads. No experience. No tech skill. No hard cost. Now it's your chance to do the same. Click play and watch how. Converts 1000x more in just one click. Increase buyer experience. Generate viral buyer traffic. You can add premium buy buttons. You can edit upsell checkout pages. Works in any niche you want. Achieve financial freedom. Earn $200 per day. If you buy from description link and take snapshot as a proof to send me on Instagram, which link is in description, I will give a free ebook which price is $100 and also will given a free video tutorial which price is $150. So buy from description link, take snapshot and send me on Instagram. Link in description. Free gift, first 100 buyers also get the free bonuses worth $7,000 plus. Get checkout Maximixer at a one-time price. $197 monthly, pay just $17 once and use forever. Get instant access now. Hurry, price rises again in 0 days, 12 hours, 43 minutes, 47 seconds. Some awesome results get from beta tester. Emails flooded with commissions notifications after installing Checkout Maximixer. Real life results with Checkout Maximixer. You're just 3 steps away. Install this secret WP plugin. Act fast before the price increases. Log in and enter any link, website, or funnel where you want traffic sent to. This takes 30 seconds or less. That's it. Now you can see your conversions increased 1000x more. Watch sales pouring in on. That's it. Just 3 steps from living a life of your dream. Get Checkout Maximixer at a one-time price. $197 monthly, pay just $17 once and use forever. Get instant access now. If you buy from description link and take snapshot as a proof to send me on Instagram, which link is in description, I will give a free ebook which price is $100 and also will given a free video tutorial which price is $150. So buy from description link, take snapshot and send me on Instagram. Link in description. Hurry, price rises again in. From the laptop of Purvesh Mahajan. Subject, how. Here's how you can increase your conversion rates, get tons of viral traffic and make more money today. Dear blogger and marketer, we're officially halfway through 2021. But with all the time that's passed, are you satisfied with the money you're currently making online? Or does this continue to be a frustrating year, no different than the last one? If so, listen up. Perhaps you're desperate to break through. Falling prey to fake gurus and scams. Buying product after product. Not making any progress. No matter what you do, or how hard you try, you're still never able to get the ball rolling. Slowly but surely, you begin questioning yourself. Judging yourself. Blaming yourself. It devours every single ounce of your self-belief. You started to lose faith in making money online. I totally get it. And I know how it feels. However, you're not alone. Because I've been in your shoes. It wasn't easy, I know. I barely scraped a living with minimum wage. Broke as a joke. Dealing with demanding boss. Long commutes. Difficult clients. Struggling to meet deadlines. Sleepless nights. It drove me insane. I needed a way out. I desperately wanted to free myself from this miserable life. I was in a dire situation of do or die. I needed something to work, ASAP. With no income and tons of bills to pay. I quickly turned to the internet in hope and desperation, frantically seeking a solution. Just like what you're doing right now. I ended up trying solo ads, email marketing, affiliate marketing, posting on social media, dropshipping, blogging, marketing agency. However, it seems like no matter how hard I work, how much I invest, how many times I try, yet I was never able to see any results. But after months of trial and errors, I finally had my breakthrough. I now live a privileged life most would only dream of. It's allowed me to quit my job, never worry about money again, buy my parents a new house, retire before the age of 30, purchase my dream car, BMW, move into a luxury condo. I'm talking about life-changing amounts of money. If you buy from description link and take snapshot as a proof to send me on Instagram, which link is in description, I will give a free ebook which price is $100 and also will given a free video tutorial which price is $150. So buy from description link, take snapshot and send me on Instagram. Link in description. So what is the secret that literally changed my life? It's a lot easier than you think. After trial and error, tears, blood, and sweat, I've learned one simple thing. The secret of the top 1% earner is traffic. It's the ability to get in front of other people. Getting eyeballs and attention to your link, your website, your product/offer, your funnel, your website/service. A lack of traffic is the number one thing holding you back. Here's why. Traffic is the lifeblood of any business. You need conversions to start making money online. Without conversions, you'll never make any money. It doesn't matter what strategy you are using. That's the reason why most beginners, and probably you, are still failing. Regardless of what you're selling, whether it is affiliate products, CPA offers, your own products, e-commerce products, physical/digital products, high-ticket products/services, coaching/consulting, traditional offline business. If you can't get conversions, getting in front of real buyers, then nothing is going to happen. If you buy from description link and take snapshot as a proof to send me on Instagram, which link is in description, I will give a free ebook which price is $100 and also will given a free video tutorial which price is $150. So buy from description link, take snapshot and send me on Instagram. Link in description. Traffic is your key to Freedom Castle. You're in total control of your own life. Heck, we decided to eliminate all of that. So our expert team and I got a powerful, first of its kind software developed to automate and speed up the entire process. After 8 months of development, we finally perfected this secret traffic method. Now before you're thinking I've tried so many traffic sources, none of them work. Well, just hold your horses, because this traffic loophole has nothing to do with solo ads, paid ads, Facebook/Google, creating content, blogging, making videos, spamming on social media, or anything that's old, slow and outdated. Proudly introducing a simple, effective tool that will unlock more profits and more sales today, and it will only take you just a few clicks of your mouse. Get Checkout Maximixer at a one-time price $197 monthly, pay just $17 once and use forever. Get instant access now.